SaaSlogic is a futuristic product. It opens up possibilities beyond subscription management.
Businesses are transforming from transactional in nature to relationship-based for over a long period of time. Subscriptions is the best way to transform your business from transactions to relationships. The goal of SaaSlogic is not just to provide subscription management and revenue management. Since we come from the background of SaaS product development, we recognize there are a lot of other things that can be built into SaaSlogic to help SaaS product development in general. There are features like user management, customer management, single sign-on. All these things are repeated for every product development. SaaSlogic brings some of these things, some of the features as part of it, so that you don't have to build into your product.
When you ask developers to build a non-core product feature that is not their expertise, you are denying them the time to focus on their core feature enhancements. We started building SaaSlogic in 2019. We didn't realize the complexity of the product back then. It took a lot of engineering effort and collaboration between our team in both India and US. And today, I think we have built a platform that is truly scalable.
When you set up your SaaS product, you often have to choose a payment option. This can feel very restrictive as you set it up for one and then you're locked in. This can be restrictive later on when you expand and realize it maybe doesn't offer all the flexibility you want. So with SaaSlogic, we have set it up so that multiple payment portals are available. You can choose which one you want to use, or you can allow our intelligent architecture to look at the payment being processed and choose which portal is optimized for your use case.
We started building SaaSlogic around 3 years ago, and from the beginning the challenge was to design the product in a way that it spoke directly to the developers, but without compromising the user experience of the end customer.
While SaaSlogic is mainly into subscription management, we see many opportunities to expand it into other areas in the SaaS space.
A normal web application has a data flowing from the user to the backend and then back to the users. With SaaSlogic, we have many integrations and multiple user levels involved. This makes the process of defining functionalities more complex and a research-intensive one.
I remember when I was being interviewed here, I was actually talking to this person and we had a really long conversation about what is happening in our industry right now and what are the latest design trends. It was later that I realized that I was actually talking to the CEO, and that is when I knew that this was going to be a great experience working here at SaaSlogic. The atmosphere here is quite casual and yet academic, and we get to work with some of the latest tech in our industry and some of the sharpest minds too.
Our team, they are very energetic, passionate, and they have this great zeal to learn new things. They were handpicked and trained to think way out of the box. They love challenging themselves and they constantly bring in fresh perspectives. The energy that we have here is something you need to see.
You have this amazing idea. You build the core product and you use SaaSlogic platform to bridge the gap between your core product and the GTM version of it.